Good afternoon, children. Coming to the next class here, we are continuing with the same chapter with the cards and wheels. Page number 86. You can see in the page number 86 here, draw the radius of the bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. As we already showed you yesterday here, if you when the circle is given there with the center point, you have to keep a scale and you have to measure the radius of that. Means the length of the circle, means radius of the circle from the center point to the boundary of the circle. Yesterday as we have seen, like that you have to do it here. This activity should be done in your textbook itself. You have to take a pencil and a ruler and you have to do this. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of the radius they measured is the same as yours. Draw the radius of these circles. Guess which circle has a longer radius. You have to find out. You have to draw the radius and you have to find out the centimeter. What is that? And measure the radius of both the circles using a ruler. Write the length of the radius. Here green circle and blue circle. Whatever the measurement are there, you have to use a scale and a ruler, pencil, and you have to write this values here in the given blanks. Okay. After that you have to go for the next one. Here it is about the finding out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape, because this small one you can measure it here itself. For the bigger one you cannot. So you can use the measuring tape or a thread. Are all these wheels of the bicycle or a bullock cart of the same radius? Are they same? We have to check. Have you seen a tractor or a road roller? Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? Are all the wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? We will see these examples. Before that, you try this with the scale and write the answer. See, in this way you can take a scale and if you measure that, you will get the centimeter here. It is first smaller one is 1 centimeter, the bigger one is 1.5 centimeter. Right there. Green color circle is 1 centimeter and blue color circle is 1.5 centimeter. Like that you can write. Now coming to the finding out. As you can see here, examples are given. One is the wheel of the bullock cart and one is the wheel of the cycle. Here you can see here. And why these are made both the same equal size? Because to have a balance in each other. Then only you can balance off yourself and you can go on that. If it is smaller and bigger, it cannot be balanced easily and properly. So they have taken both the measurements same there. So for the cycle and the vehicles, they are used for the same. But for some others also there is a different. We have to see that also. We will see that also. But as a coming to the question, for a bullock cart and circle, the wheels are same with the same size and a measurement and a length there. You can see this much of the bigger size it will be having there. So these examples have a same radius for both, because you can see have a same measurement there. Now coming to the next example, they are asking for the road roller and the tractor. You will see that. See, if you come to the example there, here for these kind of examples, the wheels are in different and measurements, because it should be managed in that way how it is comfortable there. So you can see here the wheels and the rollers are they are the bigger one, but the measurements are small and big. Here for the tractor also you can see that back side is the big one and the front side is the smaller one. How the weight is managed, the same way they have prepared that. So in this way the road roller and the tractor will be having their wheels there. These are the examples they have discussed here. So you have to check the length of that. So you cannot draw here a line segment from the center point. So what you can do is you can take the tape or a thread and you can measure the measurement of the whole circle here. So not only that, the examples like some more, like in a factories or any industries also you can say that, see there how these wheels are being produced. See, these many are there, like different varieties are there. It may be from the smaller to the bigger wheel, means the circles are used in such a examples here. Okay, you can see here. So which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? This may be a biggest, or may also may be bigger than this also the examples. But here up to here we have examples. So these kind of examples we can see as a circles here. So here they are asking, are all wheels of the tractor and road rollers of the same radius? No, they are not of the same radius. Wheels of the tractor or a road roller are different radius. The front wheels are small and the back wheels are big. How it is manageable? Based on that, they have prepared the wheels there. So the radius are different. Now coming to the next page, one more activity is given. We will see that page number 87 here. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with the ropes. Kali has a longer rope who can look for a more grass to eat. You can see here the two goats are tied here to this wooden support here, because they should not go from this place to anywhere. So they kept them as a safety here and they had tied them. They should not go from their places. But what happens, they want to have to eat a grass there. So what happens, who can eat it clearly and more far away or nearly way? Okay, so they are given these examples. This example we will see the answer here. So you can see that Kali can eat it by near way, because see that rope is having bigger one, but whereas Lali's rope is smaller one, so it cannot eat the grass. So this can eat more grass here, because which is having more grass here, because longer rope means longer radius and bigger circle. Kali can eat more grass as can move in a bigger circle. So how much ever the bigger radius of the you will be having a thread or a rope or a radius, that much big circle you can draw, or else how much small radius and the rope you can take, that much small circle you can draw. So based on the distance what you consider, based on that you people can draw a circle there. If you take a smaller length, the small circle. If you take a bigger length, bigger circle. Like that it is given here. So with that some more examples also you can see here. See Daljit's designs. She has done some more. Not only with these many examples, from that also you can prepare on your own examples also here, like drawing. As you people use it for a drawing. This circle is used for drawing here. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. Compass means what? I will discuss it later. First you see the designs here, the patterns here. See in this way they can make a patterns here. After making these patterns, they can know that these are all made by the circles. So circles are not only used for examples or any other things. It can be used to draw the patterns also, to make a designs also. So in such a way they have made it. His sister came and started making more designs with him. The same way she also started there. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs, you will need to use a compass. So what is a compass here? We will see that compass here. So this is a geometry box where you have to use it for the next here to draw the circles here. So this kind of geometry box have you already come across? I hope this. Okay. So now we will see that what are the instrument inside this. So you can see in this kind of all the instruments are there in this box here, and in this right now what is useful for you is this one. This is called as a compass, where you people are using it for to construct a circle here. This is used. So I hope that this is known for everyone. So what you have to do is you have to purchase this for the next class to draw the circle. We have one more topic there to construct a circles. So use this. Okay. So take a compass box, and in that specially this instrument is used, and this instrument is known as a compass, where it is used for drawing the circle here. Okay children, this is about the compass. The other instrument, not to worry about that, you people are going to learn about those in your next class, that is class 5th. Okay children, so this is the compass. Be ready with this compass for our next class. So children, now I am going to share you one of the activity here where we are using that compass to draw the circle. Before that, without using a compass, how to draw a circle or how to make a circle. Take any one of the sheet here. If it is in a rectangle, make that paper or a sheet to the square here. As you can see that you people can fold it there. Right, after folding this paper in this formation, you will get that whatever you are getting that extra, just cut it out that and keep that sheet in a square way. So if you have a square sheet, then you can make it easily without any drawing instrument, you can make a circle there from the cutting of the paper. Now you got this. Now open this. Now if you can see that this is a perfect square, all sides are equal here. Now fold this into the half exactly. After when you fold this exactly half here, same thing, you got a rectangle, right? So now from the rectangle you just fold one more there. Now again you got a square back there. So you people got a square one more back. Now what you can do is just whatever you have this folded, no, 2 steps, that after that third step you have to go that you have to cut it that in the formation of the curve. You will get a circle there. So from one end to the other end you cut it in a curve way. So you can see that in this way slightly, not too deep. Okay, so you can see that in this way if you cut, then now you open this. If you open now, what you will get? You will get it in the formation of the circle. You can see that this is the way of this. You can do a circle cutting there. You can also take any other color papers also, you can try it. See, as I have done the one more smaller one. And if you fold it for the more than 3 times or 4 times, you may get the other shape in this way. Okay, so don't cut or fold it in other way, just only with the 3 steps. First you take a square paper, fold it into the rectangle, then fold it into one more square there, then cut from one edge to the other edge in the curve shape, then you open it. In this way you will get a circle. This activity you try yourself and do it, children. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.